Assalamu alaikum, class 6. We will be talking about notebook maintenance today. We are going to start our second term question answers. So first we need to maintain our notebook. To maintain our notebook, first we need to buy our school notebook. We need to write name, class and subject on the cover of notebook with the permanent black marker. We have to cover it with the transparent plastic sheet. Okay, the next step is when we're done with the plastic sheet, when we're done with the name on the with the permanent marker, let's open the notebook and write your name, class and subject again on the first page. In case your name, class and subject is removed with the permanent marker or it get faded, we can find a notebook with the help of this page. So you have to write your name, class and subject. The third step is your index. Your index has S dot number, serial number, date, title. Here is written page number, but you don't need to write your page number. You can write teacher sign and parent sign. So in this index, we will be writing about what we have done on which date. So we have done revision of indefinite tenses and continuous tenses. So we will be writing on the in the index. And next is we have done unit 7. So we will write this along with the date. And we have done exercise along with the date. Now next what we are going to do, we have to write along with the date. Then we will make a second term title page with some colors, or you can use markers. You will write second term with the markers and you can decorate this page using your color pencils. Make sure to don't make your page too dirty, or don't make your page by using very dark color markers so that it may have stains on the next page. Make sure to use light colors and light designing. Yes, the next step is to make title page of the chapter. So title page of our chapter is unit number 7, Home Sweet Home. So we are going to make this title page again with the marker, and you can use your color pencils to make some drawings. Make sure to not make a next page dirty or stainable. Okay, on the next page we are going to write date, classwork and day. Now when we start a chapter, we have to write words to know. What are the new words in this chapter? So you have to write new words from the page number 72 of your textbook. You have to make a margin line using your blue color. You can say Picasso, and you have to write the words with the black one, and the meaning with the blue ink pen. So we are about to start exercise A, comprehension. So first we need to write date, classwork and day. Exercise A, comprehension in the bracket with the black ink pen. Now we are going to write question number 1, answer the following questions with the black pen, and A part, what were the children doing in the house with the black, and answer with the black. But the answer of this question will be with blue ink pen. You have to write the answer of this question with the blue ink pen, and when you complete with the answer, leave one line and then move to the next line to write another question.